In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolio website using Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you're coming from a search page, simply click on the Google AI Studio result to open the platform. Once you're inside, look for the playground area because that's where you can begin working with prompts and app generation tools. From there, click Start Building. This takes you into the app creation workflow where Google AI Studio can help turn your idea into a working portfolio site. Before generating anything, head into the settings so you can make sure the setup matches what you want to build. Inside settings, choose a model to use in chat. This matters because the model will handle your prompt and generate the layout, structure, and code for your website. After that, click on Framework and select Next.js. That's a solid choice for a portfolio website because it supports modern design, fast performance, and a professional structure right out of the box. Now you're ready to describe your site. Type in your prompt or paste one in if you already prepared it. Be as clear as possible about the style, sections, and overall look you want, since better prompts usually lead to better first results. Next, click Build. Google AI Studio will generate a live preview directly in the dashboard, which makes it easy to review the design without leaving the page. If something needs to change, use the annotate or text feedback tools to refine the site instead of starting over. For example, you can ask it to change the main theme color or update the header style. If the system detects any bugs, use the autofix option to help resolve code issues automatically. Once you're happy with the final result, download the code as a zip file. If your site is a simple static project, you can upload it to a free static hosting platform such as TinyHost or GitHub Pages. If you built it with Next.js, you can also deploy it using the available cloud deployment option.